A universe of galaxies. Space is big, really big. It's so vast that it's almost beyond human comprehension. It's filled with billions upon billions of stars, each one a blazing beacon in the dark. These stars group together in massive collections called galaxies, forming intricate cosmic tapestries. Think of them like giant cosmic cities of stars all swirling around a central point, creating a mesmerizing dance of light and gravity. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is pretty impressive. It's our home in this vast universe. It contains hundreds of billions of stars, including our very own sun, which gives life to our planet. But hold on to your hats, because our galaxy is just one of many. The universe is teeming with countless galaxies. In fact, there are so many galaxies out there that it's hard to even imagine. The numbers are truly staggering. Some scientists believe there could be trillions of them, each with its own unique story to tell, each a universe unto itself. Now you might be wondering, what about the farthest galaxy? How far does our universe stretch? How far away is it? And what secrets does it hold? These are questions that continue to intrigue scientists and astronomers. Let's take a journey to the edge of the observable universe and find out. The adventure awaits us in the vast expanse of space. The farthest galaxy we've spotted so far is incredibly distant. It's so far, in fact, that the light from this galaxy has taken billions of years to reach us. To be precise, it's been traveling for over 13 billion years. To put that into perspective, the universe itself is only about 13.8 billion years old. That means we're seeing this galaxy as it was when the universe was still in its infancy. Talk about a blast from the past. This incredible distance is hard to wrap our minds around. It's like trying to imagine a grain of sand that's also the size of the Earth. It just boggles the mind. But that's the scale we're dealing with when we talk about the vastness of the cosmos. So, what's inside this incredibly distant galaxy? It's a question that has fascinated astronomers and stargazers alike for centuries. Well, remember those cosmic cities of stars we talked about? These galaxies are like bustling metropolises in the vast expanse of the universe. This galaxy is no different. It's likely teeming with stars, just like our own Milky Way. Imagine billions of stars, each with its own unique characteristics and stories. These stars are probably a mix of different sizes and ages. Some might be massive and bright, while others are smaller and dimmer. Some might be young and hot, burning with a fierce blue light, while others are old and nearing the end of their lives, glowing a deep red. And just like in our galaxy, these stars could have planets orbiting around them. These planets, known as exoplanets, could be rocky or gaseous, and some might even be in the habitable zone. Who knows? There might even be other life forms out there, gazing up at their own night sky, filled with the light of billions of stars. It's a mind-blowing thought. The possibilities are endless, and don't forget about black holes. These enigmatic objects are some of the most fascinating and terrifying phenomena in the universe. These cosmic monsters lurk at the centers of most galaxies, including our own. They have an immense gravitational pull that can influence entire star systems. They're regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. This creates a point of no return known as the event horizon. The farthest galaxy probably has a supermassive black hole at its center too, perhaps even bigger than the one in our galaxy. These giants can have masses millions or even billions of times that of our sun. These black holes play a crucial role in the evolution of galaxies, shaping their structure and influencing the birth and death of stars. They are the architects of the cosmos, sculpting the universe as we know it. Our Milky Way galaxy and this incredibly distant galaxy are both vast collections of stars, gas, and dust. They are magnificent structures that hold the secrets of the universe within their sprawling arms. Each star within these galaxies has its own story, its own journey through the cosmos. But they're also separated by billions of years of cosmic history. This immense span of time has seen the birth and death of countless stars, the formation of planets, and the evolution of galaxies from small, irregular shapes to the grand spirals and ellipticals we see today. When we look at this distant galaxy, we're essentially looking back in time. The light from this galaxy has traveled for billions of years to reach us, showing us a snapshot of the universe as it was long ago. We're seeing it as it was when the universe was much younger and galaxies were still forming. This glimpse into the past allows us to understand the processes that shaped the cosmos. This provides us with a unique opportunity to study the early universe and how galaxies evolve over time. By observing these ancient galaxies, scientists can piece together the history of the universe and the life cycles of galaxies. One key difference is that this distant galaxy is much smaller than the Milky Way. Its size and structure offer clues about the conditions of the early universe and the factors that influence galaxy growth. It's still in its early stages of development, and it will continue to grow and evolve over billions of years. This ongoing transformation is a testament to the dynamic nature of the universe. Who knows, maybe one day it will become a giant spiral galaxy like our own, filled with hundreds of billions of stars and countless planets. The future of this distant galaxy is a fascinating mystery, waiting to be unraveled by future generations of astronomers. Studying galaxies that are billions of light-years away is no easy feat. It's like trying to see a firefly that's on the other side of the world. It's incredibly faint and difficult to spot. To observe these distant objects, astronomers rely on powerful telescopes both on Earth and in space. These telescopes can detect the faint light from distant galaxies, even if it's been traveling for billions of years. But even with the most advanced technology, there's a limit to how far we can see. The universe is expanding, and the farther away an object is, the faster it's moving away from us. This expansion stretches the light from distant galaxies, making it even fainter and redder. This is known as redshift, and it's a key tool that astronomers use to measure distances in the universe. Despite the challenges, astronomers are constantly pushing the boundaries of our knowledge about the universe. New telescopes and technologies are being developed all the time, allowing us to see farther and fainter objects than ever before. In the coming decades, we can expect to discover even more distant galaxies, perhaps even closer to the very edge of the observable universe. These discoveries will provide us with invaluable insights into the early universe and the processes that led to the formation of galaxies like our own. Who knows what wonders await us out there in the vast expanse of space? Maybe we'll find evidence of other intelligent life, or maybe we'll stumble upon something completely unexpected that challenges our understanding of the universe. One thing's for sure, the future of space exploration is incredibly exciting. The discovery of the farthest galaxy is a testament to the power of human curiosity and our insatiable desire to explore the unknown. It reminds us that we live in a vast and mysterious universe, full of wonder and endless possibilities. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you're looking out at a universe teeming with billions upon billions of galaxies, each with its own unique story to tell. And somewhere out there in the farthest reaches of space lies the answer to the question, are we alone? Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the wonders of the cosmos.